need a place for all these components, so for the case, we've gone with the Phanteks XT Pro Ultra ATX mid-tower case. The Phanteks XT Pro Ultra offers excellent value with its spacious interior and robust cooling options. This case can accommodate large graphics cards up to 415mm in length and supports various motherboard sizes, including eATX, ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX. The cooling capabilities are impressive, with support for up to 10 120mm fans or 6 140mm fans and dedicated spaces for radiators, including a top-mounted 360mm radiator. The XT Pro Ultra features 4 pre-installed 140mm DRGB fans, enhancing both cooling efficiency and aesthetics. The tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of the internal components, making it ideal for showcasing our build. The case also supports vertical GPU mounting, although the riser cable is sold separately. Cable management is a strong point, especially with compatibility for MSI Project Zero and Asus BTF motherboards that hide most cables at the rear. The front I/O includes a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, a USB 3.0 port, and audio jacks, offering modern connectivity options.